And you're looking today at something very unusual. Menace and Nasher Woodpecker. That's the same as the wooden toys you used to get. The woodpecker used to slide down the base. But it's got Menace and Menace on. Like an official licensed product. Basically, he bounces down the pole. Some good branding on the box. Just unusual thing, this. Found this on eBay, I've never seen another one. Must be quite modern, I think. I think it'll be the 90s when they relaunched and it's when it's cartoon and stuff like that. So I'll take it out of the box and see how it works. As you can see, it's one of your woodpecker toys you used to get in the 60s and 70s. And basically, you knock Dennis and he nods his way down. So he goes down the fin like the woodpecker. It's stiff like because he's the edge of it. I think it needs greased a bit. And there's a little tie in it. I don't know where Nasher is. It says Dennis and Nasher, but I can't see Nasher. Put him back up, see if we can get my work, but I know he's been down. Nice stuff. There we go, the Dennis Woodpecker. Let's see how it works now. Look. There you go. Quite a scary looking thing. Look, his hair's gone a bit wild compared to what it was like before. Thinking his haircut. Quite an unusual thing, this. Never seen another one. Anyway, there you go. Dennis and Menace. Official BEANO product. It doesn't say what it is though. It doesn't say it's a woodpecker thing. It says Nasher, but where is he? Unless it was at the bottom and he's gone missing at some point. 1998. So yeah, it must have been when they relaunched Dennis and Menace and they made a cartoon of him. The new BEANO and stuff. Kind of unusual little item in it. Interesting little thing. Plays on the dynamics of your iconic desk toy that you used to get in the woodpecker. Yeah, you see him causing trouble. Going down the pole somewhere to cause havoc. Typical Dennis. You like this? Have a check out my Kinetic toys and stuff. I'll see you next time, Retro fans.